The objective of this lesson is to teach you how to use conditional formatting to quickly visualize your data. And we're going to focus on one feature of conditional formatting that I'm going to show you. So here I have some data. I have quantity. So I'm going to select quantity. Under home, I'll go to conditional formatting. And then I have top bottom rules. And on this, I have several rules. So I can highlight my top 10 items, the top 10% of the items I have in my data, the same for the bottom 10%, everything above average, everything below average, and again, it will calculate the average for you automatically. So let's select one of them to show you how it works. I'm going to select the top 10 items, which is the easiest one. And as you can see here, it says top 10 in the rule, but actually for all of them it's flexible. So if I want, for example, the top 15 instead of the top 10, you can see that it will start selecting more data than when you have only the top 10. So I'll keep 15 here, and then you can change your formatting. So for example, here it's red, I can choose a yellow format and so on. And if I don't like it, I have custom format, and in custom format I can do everything. So I can change the format of my number. For example, I want 2 decimal places. I can change the font that I have. For example, I want a font that is in this color, the border, and the fill. So if I say OK, as you can see, my top values now are in blue, and then they are with 2 zeros here. So this is how you can use this. Another way to access this is I'm going to go back to conditional formatting after selecting my cells. First, I can clear rules. So to clear rules, you do this. And then if I want to re-put this rule, I can do new rule. And then in new rules, I have format only top or bottom ranked value. And I have the same options. You can see if I click here, I can change the format. I can do it in percentage by clicking here, and I can change everything. And then you have also the below and above average here. The same thing, you can change the format and so on. So you can access it also from here.